I am recording, right? Hey, I just wanted to show you this drywall that I've been using lately. It's called USG Durock brand glass mat tile backer board. And I've been using this now for around all my showers in the wet areas for the tile. I really like it. It seems to work really well. I used to use the Durock, the cement board, but it seems so flimsy since they made it lightweight, and it breaks real easy, and I end up having big holes in it. So I started buying this. Actually, this is a little bit more expensive per square foot, but it hangs much flatter. It hangs much nicer. I have not had any complaints with the tile guys. They seem to love it. So I'm going to be starting to use this from now on. Like I said, it's a little bit more expensive, and I can tape this. If I go to tape the Durock, I trap this mud behind two vapor barriers. I trap it behind. I'm going to turn this camera up a little. But if I go in and tape the cement board, I trap the mud between two vapor barriers. Where this will breathe, the other stuff will not breathe. It's cement. And this mud eventually just wants to turn back into powder and flake right off. I've had it on the outside of a building one time. This was when Durock first came out. I taped and finished the Durock with Durbond, just regular Durbond. And then I put a finish coat on with topping. Well, the Durbond worked just fine. It held up, the fiberglass mesh tape, everything held up really well. But the topping, you could just come over it in 2 weeks and just remove the topping with your fingertips. And this is after it was all sanded and primed and painted and sealed. You could still just walk over and remove the topping with your fingertips. So I'm going to switch to this. I think it lays flatter. It hangs nicer. I can tape it. I don't have to use special mud. I don't have to use special anything. I can just go ahead and use my regular taping mud. So I think this is a great product. Again, it's called USG Durock brand glass mat tile backer board. If you're familiar with Den Shield, it's a lot like Den Shield. It's got fiberglass on both sides, cuts like drywall, hangs like drywall, but it's very good for tile. You guys have a good day. If you really like these videos, subscribe, share these videos. I've got new camera shots. I've got new sound system. I hope all of the sound quality's better, the camera shots are better. So come and see me on my new channel. Subscribe, share. We hope to see you there. You have a good day.